You are in a dark room with 3 identical doors. Behind one door is a treasure, and behind the other 2, traps. The doors are marked with symbols: a star, a circle, and a square. A voice tells you,
The door with the treasure is not marked with a shape that has any straight lines.
which door will you choose? Star, circle. Square. Open none. Circle. A king has 3 daughters. One always tells the truth, one always lies, and one alternates between truth and lies. You must ask one question to any of them to determine which daughter is which. What will you ask? Are you the truth teller? Who is the liar? If I asked your sister if you're the liar, what would she say? Is your sister the truth teller? If I asked your sister if you're the liar, what would she say? A prisoner is given a chance to escape. He must choose between 3 rooms. One filled with raging fires, one with assassins armed with loaded guns, and one with lions who haven't eaten in years. Which room will you enter? The room with fire. The room with assassins. The room with lions. Stay in your cell. The room with lions, because they are dead now. A man is trapped in a room with no windows or doors, only a table and a saw. He must find a way to escape. How will he escape? Saw the table in half and make a door. Use the saw to dig through the floor. Break the wall with the table. Scream for help. Saw the table in half and make a door. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is this possible? They are all ghosts.
They are invisible.
They are all married? It's a trick question. They are all married? A man walks into a bar and asks for a glass of water. The bartender pulls out a gun and points it at him. The man says thank you and leaves. Why did the man thank the bartender? The bartender knew the man. The man was a thief. The man had hiccups. The gun was fake. The man had hiccups. A father and his son are in a car accident. The father dies and the son is taken to the hospital. The surgeon says, "I can't operate on this boy, he's my son." How is this possible? The surgeon is lying. The boy is adopted. The surgeon is the boy's mother. It's a trick question. The surgeon is the boy's mother. A man is found hanging in a locked room with nothing in it but a puddle of water on the floor. How did he die? He slipped and fell. He drowned. He was hanged. He stood on a block of ice. He stood on a block of ice. You have 2 ropes. Each rope takes exactly 1 hour to burn, but they burn at inconsistent rates. How do you measure 45 minutes? What will you do? Burn 1 rope for 15 minutes, then start the second. Light 1 rope at both ends and the other at one end. Light both ropes at one end. Burn 1 rope for 30 minutes and the other for 15. Light 1 rope at both ends and the other at one end. A man is found dead in a room with 53 bicycles. What happened? What's the story? He was a bike collector. He lost a card game. He was killed by a cyclist. It's a trick question. He lost a card game. Bicycle is a brand of playing cards.